Hello everybody, in this video I will show you a method we call grouping to factorize. So the question is factorize the following algebraic expressions. Example 1. So it is clear that this is a polynomial, in other words there's 4 terms. And what you do is you group together. So you can group the first 2 terms together and you can group those 2 together. And then here I'm going to take out 2 as a common factor, and then there I'm going to take out k as a common factor. So you get 2 bracket x plus y and k x plus y. And then you will see that this bracket x plus y repeats. So now you can take out the whole bracket x plus y, and then you are left with 2 plus k. And please note there's no sign between the 2 brackets. Example 2. Factorize. Let's group again. When there's 4 terms, we group. So I'm going to group the first 2 together and the last 2 together. On this one, I'm going to take out p as a common factor, and there I'm going to take out 5 as a common factor. So when I take out p, I'm left with p minus t. When I take out 5, I'm left with p minus t. Then there's a bracket p minus t and there's a bracket p minus t. They are exactly the same, so I take it out and I'm left with p plus 5 with no sign in between. Example 3, factorize. So there's 4 terms. What I'm going to do is I'm going to group. So I'm going to group the first 2 together and the last 2 together. I'm going to take out the highest common factor. So on the first 2, I'm going to take out 5y squared and I'm left with y plus 2. And on the last 2, I'm going to take out negative 7 and I'm left with y plus 2. Because my aim is I want these 2 brackets to be the same. So therefore, now I can take out the bracket y plus 2 as a common factor and I'm left with this 5y squared minus 7. And again, no sign in between. Example 4. There I'm going to group again. I'm going to group the first 2 and the last 2. On the first 2, I'm going to take out a as a common factor, and the last 2, I'm going to take out p as a common factor. So when I factorize, it's a bracket a plus 3, and I'm going to take out p bracket a plus 3. And then you can see that there's a plus 3 and there's a plus 3. So that one I'm going to take out, and then I'm left with a plus p with nothing in between. Example 5. Factorize. Again, there's 4 terms, so I will group. I'm going to group the first 2 together and the last 2 together. On the first 2 terms, I'm going to take out x as a common factor, and then I'm going to take out z as a common factor. So when I take out x, I'm left with x minus y, and when I take out z, I'm left with x minus y. Then I can take out x minus y, and I'm left with x plus z, and no term over there, or no sign rather. Example 6. I'm going to factorize by grouping. So I'm going to group number 1 and 2 together and number 3 and 4. Here I'm going to take out x as a common factor. There I'm going to take out p as a common factor. So I take out x, I'm left with 4 plus p. I take out p, I'm left with 4 plus p. And then 4 plus p and 4 plus p, it's the same bracket. Therefore, I take out 4 plus p and I'm left with bracket x plus p. I'm left with this x plus that p, no sign in between. In the next video, I will teach you how to factorize the sum and difference of two cubes. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video. And then I have a question. Have you subscribed yet? Please like this video and tell your friends.